Good evening to all my loved ones in the house. God bless you all. Happy Sunday to everyone. Happy Sunday once again. All weather is back again. You know, whenever you see all weather, many days, good news for you. There's advice and other things very important to know. Other things that are really important here in Italy. I would like to, you know, sometimes seeing your brother or seeing your sister that is not really going fine, is not moving forward, it is something we Africans, we need to bring our hands together so that we'll be able to do something. You know, first, I know I said it in my previous video, the reason why all weather bar is existing. I would still like to repeat it too. Not really maybe because we just want to, we were looking for job or we were looking for something to do. Bless Baba God that I have something that I'm doing. The reason why I really decided to have this bar, you know, some people will come to this city. What is the problem? This place, there is no bar, there is no place to eat. There is no Africa bar. There is no place you can go. Then you eat any kind of food you want to eat. A lot of people were complaining about this, both visitor and people that are still living here in this market. All of them, they were saying, complaining, there is no place to relax. If you want to celebrate birthday, if you want to do guest to guest party, if you want to just sit with your friends, I said no, we don't have a place like that. Then not only that, seeing my loved ones, seeing my African people sitting down outside with bottle, a lot of things, and one thing we need to learn, let's learn how to talk. If two Africans, Nigerians, if they are talking with beer, it's like 30 people of Italian are talking. Oh my God, this thing is not stable. If two people, two Nigerians, two Africans, if they are talking outside, it will look as if 30 Italians are talking. Whoa, 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 whoa. Madonna. They sit outside. A lot of people were still complaining. They like coming to my store to buy something, but seeing Africans talking, making noise. Please, this message is not only for this market. I would like you to share this video. Share this video. I'm sorry, guys. I just want to use this one. If not, some people were complaining they don't hear what I'm saying. That is why I try to connect my Bluetooth to it. So, I would like you to share this video to your loved ones, to all Africans, especially here in Europe. If we are in Africa, we know that yes, we are in our country. There is a way we're supposed to be behaving. Not in Europe. We're not supposed to, even though you are in your house, you're supposed to maintain yourself. You're supposed to respect yourself. Since some of Africans, they don't know the meaning. They don't know the meaning why they are living here on earth. They don't know, some of Africans, they don't know the reason why they are existing, why they are human beings. I just try to cool myself. I just try to make sure that I'm happy doing this video, because what people are really doing, I don't really know how to classify them. I don't just know the problem of Africans, Nigerians. As I said before, I'm not going to be talking about only my city, my market. Please, I'd like you to share this video. Share it to every Nigerians, every Africa people in this Europe. Especially people that go to Africa bar. That go to bar. How many times have you seen Italian restaurant or Italian bar? They will be making noise. They will be fighting. Me, fighting. Not talking. At least Italians, they fight. Do you know what they used to fight? They use their boca, their mat. They use their mat to fight. Just talk, shout a little, basta. Finito. It's finished. But our Nigerians, but wetin be una problem now? Wetin be una problem? Tell me, what is your problem? Where you are coming from, you know that place, you know the way it is. That is why you ran down to this place. Some of us, we are saying we don't go to Nigeria. We don't want to go to Nigeria. Why? How can we be running away from our country, our own country? Nigeria, we are just saying Nigeria. Nigeria is a name. Is it not the people that spread that Nigeria? Is it not our Africans? Okay, we are here in Europe. You see someone that want to do something. For goodness sake, we just decide to open all-weather bar, not because we need job. Not because we want to work. No. At least we want to see good things. We want to see good things in our city, things from Nigerians, things that will enable, that will make people to see, these are Nigerians, these are Africans. Not only Italians, Burkina, Banese, other cities, not other country that will be doing things in Europe. At least we Nigerians, we can still do things. I just want to see my Africans going to, if they want to drink, if they want to enjoy themselves, the day they will be on off, at least they will have place to go and sit, relax, enjoy themselves. Not only Fabrica, people that work in Fabrica. Many people that work in Fabrica, that work in anywhere, they would like some days they will be in off. They would like a place to go, just to relax. They can also go with their family. Or maybe they have visitor, they just want to go out with that visitor. Okay, let's go to a place where we can still relax. That was the motive of getting that bar. Many people that live in market, they know that yes, I have other business that I'm doing. Opening a bar is not because I just want to give work to myself, or the work I'm doing, the store I have is not enough for me. I just want to explain it better. Not because I was looking for a job. That is why I really want to open bar. Seeing Africans like animal, some of them, Nigerians, not only Nigerians, Guinean, Moroccan, even Moroccan. Many people, Gambia, Ghana, running up and down, carrying bottle, misbehaving. It is something we don't need to be seeing in Europe. Please, let's try to change our mentality. Our mentality is too low. For goodness sake, let's try to do something that is okay. Sometimes we will be complaining that Italians, they are racist. How is it possible someone will go to bar? Ah, no, 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 no. I pray that God will change your mentality. How is it possible our Nigerians, they have their problem at home? They just have their problem. For them to solve the problem inside their house, they will say, no, we are going to bar. First, I would like to talk what happened yesterday. And this one is going to be a warning to all my Africans, to my Nigerians. It's only this market I can do something. But other city, please share this video to our loved ones. Let them, those people that left their brain in Nigeria, let them share the video to them if there is any way they can still change that mentality. How many times, I'm asking this question again, how many times have you seen Italian, the place you ran to? How many times have you seen them using bottle, using share to be fighting? How many times? Shameless people. You are able to see someone that said, okay, let me just do this thing for this city, for you to appreciate that person. What is your problem? What is that big problem that you cannot change? At least you know the place you are coming from. As you enter Europe, you see, this place is different from my country. He said, if you are in Rome, you act as a Rome. You behave as them. You need to imitate good things in life. You need to imitate good things. You see that we are complaining about Salvini. What makes Salvini to win is our Nigerians that make Salvini to win. We are complaining about his attitude. How is it possible seeing Nigerians as an animal? When they are fighting, they don't know how to use their mouth to fight. Here in Europe, they use their mouth to fight. Vai via, vai là, va fa bagno, quello che loro dicono. This is what they are saying. Finito. This is just their fight. Go away. This, that. Finito. They will just talk, use their mouth. How many times have you seen them use raising hand, slap or blow? Not to talk of bottles. You that just came to my bar yesterday, you are the one that declared for them. I just try to make myself happy because no man can make me sad. No one can bring my joy down. No. Whom God has blessed, no man can curse. You just want to use your problem to rob my business, to spoil my happiness. You cannot succeed. I'm not talking to one person. I'm talking to those useless people that have brain, that don't know how to use it. How can you come to my bar and be fighting with another person? My sister called me, say you never reach out. Is that not stupidity? Does that make sense? Does that make any sense? My sister called me, say you never see reach out. Are you the one to fight for your sister? Are you the one to fight for your sister? Tell me. Are you the one to fight for your sister? Please, one thing, why I really decide to make this video, I use happiness to open that bar. If you make me to lose that bar, to lock that bar, don't think you will go free. Don't think you will go free. And have it in the back of your mind. Thank God we open it just to make even though it's a business, we open it to make everybody to be happy, to have a place where you can go. Don't think maybe you see me because God has blessed me, you want to put us under. You cannot succeed. Or you think if I open that bar, I will be crying, or I will not make it, or I don't know. I don't really know your problem. How is it possible? You are the one that offered drink for people. You went home. After 2 hours or 1 hour, you came back again and be fighting your sister boyfriend, your sister husband. Does that make sense? Please don't push me to do what I don't want to do. Next time you will come to my bar and make that and behave that way, I will record you. I will make sure that I show the whole world the way you demonstrate. This useless boy that came yesterday, I have your video, the way you were demonstrating. It is something I don't really like to do. I don't like putting people picture, putting people character, behavior on YouTube, on Facebook. I don't like to do it. Please don't push me to do it. This one is going to be a warning. It's going to be a warning to all my Africans, especially here in Manke. If you come to my bar again and behave that way, I will record you. The way you are behaving, I will record it. I will use you to make my video. I will show your face. Yesterday I was so angry, but I just showed it, only the picture. I don't want to show the picture. I just show it. It's not a threat. And not only that, I will make sure you pay for it. Since you don't like better thing, you don't want to see better thing in your life, please, I would like you to share this video to all our Nigerians, not only in my city. If you know you have banamish with your friends, you have problem with your friends, solve that problem in your house. Don't go to any Africa store. Don't go to any Africa bar, because it's not possible for you to go to Africa bar or restaurant or Africa store and be fighting. And another thing, if you know you are not consuming, if you know you are not drinking, you are not eating, stop going to bar. Stop going to Africa store and be making noise. You know you are not buying anything. You know you are not, it is a place you need supposed to go. You buy something, you eat, you speak with your friend, you talk with your friend, then you go back home. But if you don't have something to do, don't use Africa bar or Africa store as your own house. And another thing, this one is really advice to every Nigerians that are behaving this way. Not all Nigerians. I know some Nigerians, they are good. Please, guys, I would like you to share this video, because what I'm seeing with my African people is awkward. Yes, we have been saying it before, but as you come to Europe, you're supposed to use your sense. You don't need anybody to advise you. You don't need anybody to advise you. Some days ago, or 2 weeks ago, someone went to go and meet my husband. He should come. They want to hold meeting because the person want to become Sindako. Just listen to this story. So he want to become Sindako. My husband now ask him, the side of our Baba Savini. He said yes. My husband told the man, I work with Africans. He said no. He said even though you work with Africans, those that are working, they have every right to stay here in Italy. They can stay here. People that are good, that are working, that know their right, yes, they are welcome to our country. But those people that are performing in Esnachizo, just like what happened in Nashizo. They were referring to my bar. They never know that they were talking to the couple. They never know that they were talking to the owner of the bar. He said, like that bar, those Africans, you see what they are doing. You see how they are disgracing Italians. Do you know what they are doing there? That kind of people, they need to go house. My husband said, oh. Just imagine what they have in their mind to do to Africans, to do to Nigerians. Tell me. They never know that they were talking to the owner of the bar. They are asking the owner of the bar to come and vote for them. The owner of the bar was telling them, you know I work with immigrants. He said, no, the people that are good have the right to stay here. But in that bar, what we are hearing in that bar, what they are doing in that bar, those people, they need to go to their country. Just imagine. They were referring to all weather bar. Guys, I want to tell you today, don't think if they lock my bar, I will suffer. I cannot suffer, don't worry. I just opened that bar for everybody to make you comfortable, to make myself comfortable. At least if you want to go out, if you want to do something, you will have a space to do it. You will have a place to go. That is the motive of getting that place, if you don't know it. If you are thinking to lock the bar, if you succeed to lock that bar, don't worry. Whom God has blessed, no man can curse. Then another thing happened again. I went to a meeting yesterday, some days ago. Someone just invited me. Vieni così, come noi c'è una cosa che dobbiamo parlare, così è molto importante. This one is very important. Just come. Then if you are coming, if you have 2 or 3 friends, come. I went for the meeting. The man that want to contest for Sindaco, they were still talking. I so much appreciate that man, the way the man was talking. But who are Nigerians to fight for? How can you fight for this kind of people? The man was just talking. It is good for Nigerians, for immigrants, to have the same rights with Italians. This is what the man that want to contest for Sindaco was saying. They want to do it in the sense that anybody that was born here, they call them Italian, Masharatese. They will call them Italians, no longer Nigerians, Gambia, Colombia, this. The man that want to become a Sindaco, this is what the man was saying. If you have, even though you don't even have a Cittadinanza, you will be able to vote if you want to vote. You will have the same rights. You have children here in this country. You born your children here in this country. Those children, they are schooling here, they do their things here. You that they are their parents, you are working. You work here in Italy. You pay your tax. This is what this Italian man was saying, which is true. The man is trying to put everybody as an equal. Equal. We are equal. If Italian is paying, for example, paying 800 euro for tax, you Africans, you are paying 800 euro for a tax. What is the difference? Tell me. Are we not the same? Are we not the same? Is it a forbidden thing for you to become Italian? My Nigerians, some of them that are not good, please, this message is for you. I know some of my Nigerians, I am proud of them. I am proud of my Nigerians, some of them. Why some? Oh, if you can change your color, change your hair like Michael Jackson, it would have been better to do it. If you see some characters, from our Nigerians, please, I beg you with the name of God, there is still time for you to change. There is still time for you to change. There are some countries, if they come to Europe, they like to go to school, they like to learn the language, they like to become Italians, they like to behave like Italians because we are here in Italy. Why so? If you even call some come and work, they won't like to work, they prefer shorty. Some Nigerians, if you ask them, come and take care of me, they won't be able to respond to you. They don't know. They will say, huh? If they are talking, at least if you cannot speak the way they are speaking, fine, it's not our language. At least you will be able to understand little small. You will be able to express yourself. You will be able to respond. At least, even though I'm not asking you to understand everything, if you can understand everything, fine, it's good. But at least you will be able to express yourself. Some of our Nigerians, they are here. Some of them, they don't even know. For some people, some Nigerians, they are here for 20 years, 15 years. They don't even have paternity. To even go to school, this thing, my mates, they are doing it. They don't want to do it. Not be school I come here, can't go. Just imagine. Not be school I come here, can't go. Now money I can't find. So say, I'm not going to pension here. I'm not going to pension for here. Wetin come concern me? It concern you, my dear. It concern you. How is it possible? Some people, they have opportunity to buy car. They have opportunity, they have money to buy car. But to buy car, you need to start from somewhere. You need to go to driving school. There are many things I would like to talk to, but I don't want to make the video long. Maybe next time I will put this one in the other video that I will make. Let me just talk about many things. I have a lot to talk about it just because I don't really have time. I'm always busy. My dear, share this video to our Nigerians. Share it to our loved ones. Enough is enough. Let's call your name for good, not for bad. Let's assume if this man is able to come back, what is it going to happen to our Nigerians or our Africans or those people that don't have that don't know their importance of living? They don't know the reason why they are existing. They don't know the reason why they are human being. They don't know. They don't know. Please, I want to use this opportunity to tell you today, anytime you come to my bar and fight and behave the way you behave, it is two things I'm going to do to you. I'm going to donation you 1. 2, I will record you. I will video you. This one is a warning. It's a warning to the people that are coming to my bar. It's a warning. This one, just see, I have the video. It's not yesterday. Thank God that I was able to control myself because it is not something I like to be showing, even though I've been saying it. And if you want to fight, don't come to my bar again, please. Don't come to my bar. Don't go to any one bar if you want to fight. Fight in your house. Fight in your house. If not, if you come, I will record you. I will make sure I show the whole world your character, the way you are behaving, the way you are demonstrating. Okay. How is it possible? Our Nigerians, they will just go to bar. They have problem. They have their problem in their house. They will be fighting. I don't want to play it. Listen and listen good. Those of you that know how to fight, that know how to use bottle, if you come to my bar again, if you come to my bar, I'm going to video you. I'm going to take all your picture. I'm going to donation you. This one is a warning to you. I'm going to play the video. I don't want to play the video. I don't just want to play it. Look at it. It's a video. I don't want to play it. Next time, if you come to my bar, I will make sure you pay for it in 2 ways. Please share this video to your loved ones, to your Nigerians, to your Africans. Not only Nigerians that have this character. I don't know if it's the same thing they used to call their novel. Whether it's bottle. Because before anything, bottle. Shameless people. Try to imitate good things in your life. People that know me in this market, they know what I'm just trying to do. If I have opportunity to help, to assist every Africans, I will be happy to do it. The things I just try to do, I'm just trying to do things which some of us know. They just want to spoil it. How can I stand for Africa if I have opportunity to stand for Africa? For the little one I can do, for the little things I can do. How can you see this kind of character? Can you talk for Africa? Can you talk for those kind of people? Can you stand for those people? How can you do it? So with this, let this one be the first and last to come to All-Weather Bar or to go to any Africa bar or any Africa store and be fighting using bottle. I have talked with many people. This is what they say. Show them the video. Show the whole world the video. But I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it. Please stop pushing me. Don't push me to do what I don't want to do. I love everyone. I want to see everyone moving forward. Try to think of good things. If you don't have anything to do in your house, you don't have television. On your television, some people will carry dread. They don't wash it. They don't even bath. They will be smelling. If you don't have anything to do, you don't have work, look television, carry your book, look novel, carry anything, Bible, anything you know you can read. Bath, use your cream. Even though you don't have, in Europe, we can't complain of food, we can't complain of clothes. You bath, put on your clothes, then sit, be watching your television. Instead of misbehaving, telling people the kind of human being you are, telling people where you are coming from. Please, guys, stop behaving this way. It's not good. It's not good. It's not good. It's not good to see Nigerians fighting on the street with bottles. I just want to give you this message. Please, if today is your first time of seeing my video, don't fail to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that whenever I upload any new video, you will be the first person to share my video, to see my video, and to notify too. Sorry that I just came for just this way. I just came to YouTube. I opened this YouTube not because of to be showing or to be talking out of sex. I know the only way I can reach every Nigerians is through this video. If I have message, if I have any message, I prefer to put it there. If not, where is the time for me to be calling each person? It is not possible because I have a lot of things to do. And we are still thinking to do other things. There are many things we are thinking to do. People that know me, they know what we are just trying, what I'm trying to do. But if we are like this, how am I going to do it? How am I going to do it? There is no way we can do it. There is no way we can do it. Please, let's try to learn from good things. Let's try to hide the name of Nigerians. If you don't want to hide it, let it be a good thing. Nigeria, they are like this, they are like this. No, animale. Do you know what Italians call Nigerians, Africans? Scimmia. Please, guys, share this video. To even explain it in Italian, I don't even like explaining it. But all the same, I will just try to throw, just let you. Comunque sto dicendo, sto parlando di gente che non c'hanno cervello. Così io sono stufata. Non è possibile che tu vai al bar a litigare. Non esiste, non doveva essere così. Non puoi litigare. Se vuoi litigare, se ce l'hai il problema con tuo fratello o tuoi amici, vai a casa, parlate. Se vuoi litigare, litiga a casa tua. Non è per strada. Non è per strada. Così non si fa. Non si può fare queste cose qua in Italia. Non si può fare. Se vuoi litigare, vai a casa tua a litigare. Ma non dovevi litigare. Come riesco a spiegare? Dimmi, come riesco a spiegare? Qualche gente vanno a Coop, vanno al supermercato, compra vino che costa 1,50. Vengono davanti al bar mio. Vengono là, comincia a urlare come cane. Così è impossibile. È impossibile. Non si può litigare qua. Se non c'è niente da fare, tu stai a casa tua, fai doccia e cominci a guardare televisione. Se tu ce l'hai Bibbia, se ce l'hai libri, comincia a leggere. Se vuoi bere, vai al supermercato o vai al bar, compra e vai a casa tua. Se vuoi stare a bar, ben venga, tu stai là, bevi e vai a casa tua. Un bar non è un posto per litigare. È questo che sto dicendo. Non riesco a capire, non lo so come riesco a farti capire. Chi litiga sembra che è animale. Usano bottiglia per litigare, così si fa? Così si fa? Non volevo spiegare con italiano, ma qualche gente, tanta gente, loro non parlano inglese. Gambia, Guinea e Ghana, Ivory Coast, tutti i paesi che non parlano inglese. Per favore, un bar non è un posto per litigare. Vergognati. Vergognati. Non si può litigare, non lo so come riesco a spiegare a voi. Non si può urlare, anche loro urlano come cane. Così non si può fare. Se ce l'hai qualsiasi problema con tuo amico, vai a casa sua, non venite davanti al bar. Non puoi fare queste cose. Non puoi fare qua in Italia. È impossibile. Anche se tu non consuma, se non ce l'hai niente da fare, stai a casa tua. Vai a fare domanda per lavoro, cerca lavoro. Vai a scuola, se non ce l'hai il lavoro per adesso, questa è un'opportunità per fare altre cose. Se non ce l'hai il lavoro, ce l'hai altre cose da fare. Qualsiasi cose che è buono, devi fare. Basta litigare qua in Italia. Questo è una vergogna. Ma tu hai mai visto italiani che usano bottiglia per litigare? Tu non ce l'hai niente da fare, tu vai a fare stupido davanti a un bar. È questo che sto dicendo. Come riesco a spiegare a voi, africani? Come riesco a fare? Per favore, se ce l'hai il problema, non venite davanti un bar, non vai davanti un bar, perché è impossibile. Un bar è un posto che tu sediti, tu mangi, bevi e vai a casa tua. È quello che sto dicendo con inglese. È quello. So back to my Africa people, please, I beg you with the name of God. If you know you have problem with your friends, don't go to a public place and fight. Don't go to a public place and fight. We are here in Europe. If the person that is worse than Savini or Savini enter, you guys, you are going to hear it. If he is able to succeed, you guys are going to hear it. Why to misbehave? Is there any reason to misbehave? Since you know that it's not going to bring good name to you. Things that are not bringing good things, good names to you. Why are you involving yourself? Why are you doing those things to our Africans? Because if you do it, other people, they will use that high. That is another mentality some of them still have. They will classify everybody as equal person, as one person. Everybody are not the same. There are good people, there are bad people. But the people that run to Italy, they're supposed to become good people because the place they are coming from. Can you compare Europe with Nigeria? Can you compare it? Can you compare Africa with Europe? Can you compare? Can you do comparison? Oh my goodness. I pray that God will give you the spirit of understanding, the spirit of knowledge, and the spirit of wisdom. Use your sense, use your brain. Use your brain. Use your brain. I have a lot of things to discuss about, but I just want to talk about this issue. I have a lot of things, how we can move forward, how we will become a good Nigerians. Let's try to do something. Those videos that I'm doing, I have a lot of things that I'm doing, but I still care for others. Before I started doing my video, people that knows me, they know what I'm doing. I do it privately. How can my Nigerians become somebody in this country? How can we do this thing? How can we become somebody in this country? If you don't have job, if you don't have this, let's think about those good things in life. Let's think about good things in Europe. Some days ago, we were just discussing about one brother. How are we going to assist this brother? Just listen. Just listen carefully. We were about 7 or 8 people. I said, please, let's do something. Let's try our best. If this person refuses to change, then we will not ask him to go. And we will now know that, yes, we try our best to do something. The people that were there, they know what I'm talking about. Some of them, I know, they will watch this video. Okay, let's do it this way. Let's try to help this person. In any way, in any angle, let's try to help this person. This person is our brother. This person is our brother. I don't care to know whether you are from Ghana or Gambia, Aunchi, Nigeria, this, that. I don't care. If we want to do something, we do something because we all are human beings. We were just discussing issue. After some minutes, One brother that was sitting with us, bottle and drink, just throw it off. Wow. Oh my goodness. And that place, people, children, cat, dog, that is the place they are passing. And people up, they do video, they snap you picture, they call kara, they do many things. Okay, I saw it with my 2 eyes. I was not hungry. I called the person, brother, come. This person was among those people who were discussing how we are going to help this our brother. Just imagine. Okay, this person, I called the person, brother, follow me, don't worry. I'm not hungry. I saw what you just did. Come with me. Come. The guy came with me. I went to bar. I told this brother, please, don't worry. I saw what you did. I don't want to be angry with you. Just take your phone, go home. Tomorrow, come and see me. This brother said, okay, thank you, mama. The boy went out. The boy went to that place again and be talking. I told this brother, when I came out, that brother was still there. Please, I don't want you to provoke me. If not, I will show your picture. I will be showing your picture anytime I'm doing my video. I will be using you as for my video. I will be using you. I will be placing your video, your character, your demonstration. Please don't push me to do what I don't want to do. Okay, brother, I talked to you before. Why don't you go home? I just want you to go home. Tomorrow you come so that we talk. Do you know what this brother did? He took another bottle, just hit it like this. He said, do what you want to do. Just imagine our Africans. This person was among those people who were discussing how we are going to help one of our brother that is in bad condition. If I mean bad condition. Bad condition. One of our brother, in this market. If you want to help somebody, it's when that person is alive. You need to help that person. Because if that person died tomorrow, any help you want to help, it's just fine. It can still be help, but it would have been better you help that person when that person was alive. This is the person that was talking among us. Just imagine how this kind of people, how are they going to change their mentality? Tell me. Do what you want to do. Break the bottle in a public place where children are playing. Before I got that place, do you know do you know how many months? Do you know what it takes to get that kind of place? You just want to spoil like that. My dear, if you spoil it, who done better for life. Who God don't bless, God don't bless. You see how many times vigilance will come, they will remove the share, there is a mistake. Before they hand over that place, before they gave me the authority to be using that place, it take how many months? My dear, I just pray that God should help you. God should change your mentality. But first, help yourself. Try your best. It's a big problem for those people. This life is going front. It's not going backward. It's not going backward. Please, my dear, let me leave you guys. See you on my next video. Because if I decide to narrate our character, you know me, I don't like doing, if you see on my video, 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 8 minutes, 12 minutes. What happened? What is really going on with Nigerians here in Europe? If I decided to be narrating it, you that is watching me, you can't watch it. You will be shifting it. You will be forwarding it. That is why I don't like to make long video. Please guys, if today is your first time of seeing this video, share it to your loved one, share it to every Nigerians, so that they will deviate from those bad character. Let them learn from good things. That is why it's very important. Share the video. Who have ears, let them hear. Please share my video. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, try to subscribe to my YouTube channel, so whenever I upload any new video, you will be the first person to notify. Let me leave you guys. See you on my next video. God bless you all. Ciao.